sign language to speech conversion using 4 flex sensors. So power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, Bluetooth module, and SC05 Bluetooth module app. So it is freely available on Play Store. Okay, so now I am giving the power supply, sign language to speech conversion. So you have to first pair. Once pair completed, it will come like that. Okay, okay, now it is normal. So once Bluetooth is paired, okay, the LED should be stops. So now I am bending first one. Okay,
COFE. Water. 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 Food. Food.
food.
Newspaper.
Okay, flux sensors, LCD display, power supply module, and Arduino Uno R3 16 cross 2 LCD display, Bluetooth module, and Bluetooth TTS app, sign to speech conversation.